I have good news for you. Very, very good news. And what's this good news? This good news is a lot of young people here in Africa, especially Nigeria, are willing to join us in the business of raising catfish. And it is by reason of this interest from young minds that we've come up with this video, because the request is to go ahead calculating for 1,000 pieces of catfish juveniles raised to table size within 4 months. So we want to show you practically how this can be achieved using, of course, the teaching method. So are you interested in this? Please join us if you've not joined us, because we are building a community, a viable community where everyone is carried along, everyone is noticed, everyone's opinion is valid, and the bottom line is we want you to grow. All right, so let's go straight to the point with our calculation. So cost of feeding 1,000 pieces of juveniles to table size. So this is in 4 months. Okay, now somebody is going to ask, is this possible? Yes, very, very possible. So let's go ahead. Now you should understand that there are factors that must be considered. I always talk about factors. Your management skill is supposed to be a major factor to be considered, right? How you manage water, how you manage feed, the quality of your feed, the quality of your juveniles, because I will always say this: please make sure you're getting your juveniles from a reputable source. Okay, there are fast growing juveniles, there are fast growing seedlings, and just as you have fast growing seedlings, you can equally be giving the opposite, that is slow growers, runts, and we don't want that for you. So please make sure you're getting from a reputable source, and then these other factors must be met so that 4 months become a reality for you. Not just a reality, so that you have you have the effrontery to do some turnover at the end of the day. Okay, so let's move on. Every bag of feed, right? A bag of feed right here in Nigeria weighs 15 kg. Okay, from 2 mm. So we have 2 mm, we have 3 mm, we have 4 mm, we have 6 mm, and then we have 9 mm. Okay, so for 2 mm, right, we have 2 bags to be bought. For 3 mm, we have 4 bags to be bought. For 4 mm, we have 12 bags to be bought. Now coming down here, between 4 mm and 6 mm, some people alternate. Okay, so like I always say, it's a practical thing. So if 4 mm works better for you, you can go ahead to stock or to buy more of 4 mm than 6 mm. So you can just alternate between the two. But for me, I'll say stick to this formula and watch how your fish will grow. So this is 30 bags, all right, and then this is 20 bags. Let me also inform you that there are people who don't even use 9 mm. So they stop at 6 mm. So what they do is they get more bags of 4 mm than 6 mm, and they stop here, and they'll still achieve their results. Like I will say, make sure your seedlings are gotten from a reputable farm. Know the age history, know the genetical makeup, make sure they are not susceptible to disease outbreak, and then how well you manage them matters a lot. Water management, let me just share this with you. If you can change your water every 2 days, then you're good to go, because when you give them quality feed, again, that's another factor. Once they ingest quality feeds, what happens is that they will convert it to body mass, and that's what you need, because at the end of the day, you're weighing your fish before selling, and it is the weight that gives you your money, right? Okay, now next up, we're going to multiply the number of bags by their unit prices. Okay, so this right here in Abuja is sold for between 70 and 75,000 naira. So let's put it this way, 75,000 naira. And then this is sold for 29,300 per bag. Okay, and this is sold at 27,700 per bag, while this is sold for 26,200. And this is sold at 24,800 per bag. All right, so having written all this, we want to know the cost of all the bags. All right, so we're coming with, so let's do the little arithmetic before us. 2 multiplied by 75, this is 150,000 naira. All right, this 4 multiplied by 29,300 gives us 117,200. So this is 117,200, and then for 12 bags of 4 mm multiplied 12 times 27,700 gives us 332,400. 332,400, and then for 30 bags of 6 mm, 30 bags times 26,200 is equal to 786,000 naira. 786,000. And then the last but not the least, 20 bags of 9 mm. Please come with me. 20 bags of 9 mm multiplied by 24,800 naira. What does it give us? 496,000 naira. So this gives us 496,000 naira. All right, so let's sum up all of these figures here. Can we start from 150? So 150,000 plus 117,200 plus 332,400 plus 786,000 plus 496,000. So what do we have here? 1,881,600 naira. All right, so this is about the cost of feeding 1,000 pieces of juveniles to table size in 4 months, right, in monetary terms. And then let's come back here so that we can know the total number of bags. So this is 20 plus 30 is 50, plus 12 is 62, plus 4 66, and then plus 2 68 bags. So we have 68 bags, right, of feed to be consumed by 1,000 pieces of juveniles to table size. Now, having arrived at this juncture, we're going to continue by also considering factors such as salary, of course, salary, which can be projected to be 40,000 since we are dealing with just 1,000 pieces, right? 1,000. pumping of water, so we write power, right? 10,000. Miscellaneous, transportation, medication, and all of those in case there's any outbreak. All right, so we leave this at 5,000 naira. Now mind you, this is monthly, so since we're running a 4-month program, we multiply this by 4, this by 4, and this by 4. So at the end of the day, salary multiplied by 4 is 160,000 naira. All right, power supply multiplied by 4 is 40,000 naira. Okay, and then miscellaneous multiplied by 4 at 5,000 naira monthly gives us 20,000 naira. Now we'll have to add the cost of purchasing our juveniles at 70 naira. It could be more, it could be less, so we're using 70 naira as a yardstick, and because we are based in Abuja, that's how we sell, between 70 and 80 naira. Sometimes we can sell at 60 naira if you're purchasing in very large quantities. So this way, cost of juveniles at 70 naira, okay, will be 70,000 naira, right, for 1,000 pieces. So we're going to sum up all of this and add it to the cost of feeds. All right, so this way, $70,000. I'm starting from the cost of juveniles plus 20,000 naira plus 40,000 naira plus 160,000 naira. 70, 20, 40, 160. So that's 290,000 naira, right? 290,000 naira, right? Now at this point, we'll have to add this to the cost of the feeds. So let's bring it down here. 1,881,600 naira plus 290,000 naira. So what do we have at the end of the day? 0, 0, this is 6, this is 1, 8 plus 9 is 17. So you take 1 up, 8, 10, 11, this is 1, and then 1 here, this becomes 2,171,600 naira. So this is about the cost of raising 1,000 pieces of juveniles to table size. Okay, I hope this video is informative enough. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, tell people about us, hit the notification bell because we have a whole lot of videos stacked for you, and we don't want you to be left behind when it comes to catfish farming. Like we said earlier, this video is by reason of the demand. Okay, people reach out to us on our various platforms requesting for this video, and I want you to be part of catfish farming. Make money, not just for yourself, but add value to the economy. All right, so at this juncture, please come to the comment section and tell me if you want the concluding part of this video to be revealed to you, because this is not the end. We'll need to know how much we are making at the end of the day. All right, so hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell if you've not subscribed to this channel, and so you will get notifications with regards to videos churning out from this particular channel. Rocky's Fish Hub is here for you, here to serve, and also to make sure that your satisfaction will always come first. Bye for now.